In the next two videos, we are looking at how to create assessments. The previous video introduced the concept of assessments and how they consist of two parts, a title page and then a separate notebook page for each of the questions on the assessment. Now let's look at how to actually create an assessment. To create a new assessment, choose title page and then add the details of your assessment. When it comes to type here, I honestly wouldn't worry about these as they only appear to be labels and it does not matter which one you choose. Giving the assessment the subject and topic tabs is optional but worthwhile because when you have created many assessments they will be easier to locate. You can then adjust any of the details on the title page if you want to. If you don't need this information then it can just be deleted. You can now add your first question. There are 6 possible options for questions. The first one we will look at is multiple choice. Once you have selected a question type, Response will ask you to fill in a series of pages to complete the question. On the first, you add the question itself. Note that if you want to modify font colour and so on, this option is possible. Click Next and you can now add the correct answer and the other options, which in the parlance of the multiple choice question are called distractors. Unlike the instant multiple choice question, which is always 4 options, you can set the number of options from 2 to 10, corresponding to the number of buttons on the response handsets. I'm going to leave this one at 3 options. Click Next again and you can now set the correct answer and the point students get for that answer. In this case the correct answer is A, it's already selected. At the bottom is a text box where you can add an explanation for the answer. This does not appear in your notebook file when you administer the assessment, but if you print out a summary of the test for students, it does appear on that document. From a teaching point of view, knowing which answer is correct and why is very important, so you may want to add something here. Click Finish and Response creates a new notebook page with your question on. As with instant questions, you can edit any aspect of this page, the font and so on, or add additional media such as sound, images and video.